We are from Piknagar High Secondary School. I am S. Anushri studying Standard 9.
I am V. Sharwani studying Standard 9.
I am V. Vatraprama studying 9th standard. I am A. Agnes from standard 10th. I am S. Ashit Ranjan from standard 10th.
Our innovation is Reflex Pro.
Globally, 10 million of the children under 5 years of age having intellectual disabilities and 100 million of the people under 20 years of age having 1 or 2 cognitive disabilities. According to World Health Organization, 50 million children are disabilities or disorders. So, the intellectual disorders, speech disorders and Down syndrome are the few examples.
Intellectually disability is a condition that is a significantly sub-average mental development from the birth or from the early childhood. These children have delayed reflexes than a normal children.
Reflex action is an automatic and rapid response to the stimulus that does not occur during conscious stage. It is controlled by a spinal cord and the lower brain membrane to make it faster.
There was a boy near my home named Aru. He liked to play and interact with the members, but he didn't catch him a ball when I threw to him. His parents wanted to help him, but there was no seemed to work. They wished something that would fun and interactive and a colorful device. That's when the idea are born.
Many children with intellectually disabled often experiences delayed reflex actions and slower response in time. This may affect their ability in performing daily activities and programs. There is a lack of a simple, portable and affordable device that can help the children to improve their reflex action like hand-eye coordination and motor skills. There is a need. The problem is to create a simple and portable device for the children, which help them to enhancing their reflex action by safe, fun, and measurable games.
To overcome this issue, we have introduced Reflex Pro. It is a specially designed kit, light-based training kit, which is mainly aimed at intellectually disabled children under the age of 12. It provides a very engaging and efficient way to develop and improve their reflex action. This contains of 7 buttons which represents the colors of rainbow and a LCD display and a rainbow which attracts the children towards it.
7 rainbow colored buttons. When the light gets illuminated in any of these buttons, the children should press the illuminated button.
The LCD display will show the reaction time of the children.
We used a rainbow structure that helps to attract the children to play with this. When they give bad response, the rainbow gives only red color. When they give good response, the rainbow fully grows and looks brighter. This made a winning sensation to the children.
We hope that our product will be useful for the intellectually disabled children.